Waiting for the compressor now. Everything works now, everything. Fox, the rooster, this one, that one, and this one, they all work perfect. But just once we get that new compressor, they all work perfect.
That was dropping down to 90. It's gonna fluctuate like this.